All right, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about data analysis for our review today. This is what we've been working on quite a bit over the last couple weeks. I'm going to spend most of our time on mean, median, mode, range, and IQR. Remember, the very first thing on all data analysis problems is we want to order our set of numbers least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got 3, 5, 7, 12, 13, 15, and 22. I'm going to start off with the mode. That's what I always say is the easiest one to begin with. Mode is the number that occurs the most. So if I look up here, every number only shows up one time. So on this specific question, there is no mode. So I would just put none. Range is the next easiest one. That's the one I always do next. Is the biggest number minus the smallest. We're just finding the difference between those two. So my biggest and smallest numbers, I've got 22 and I've got 3. So all I've got to do to answer that is 22 minus 3, which equals 19. So the range of that data set would be 19. The mean is the average. That's the one where you add the numbers and divide by the total number of numbers that you added. So if I want to do that, just to save us a little time, I will tell you I've already added all of these numbers up, and I got 77 as my sum of those numbers. If I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, and I know 77 divided by 7 is 11. So the average of that number set would be 11. Now, median is the middle number. And to find the middle number, I've already ordered them least to greatest, but I'm going to kind of take out the outside 2 each time. So those 2 are out, these next 2 are out, these next 2 are out, and then I only have one number left in the middle, which is 12. And we got 12 for that. And then last but not least is IQR. And remember, the best way that I've been explaining that is median, median, median. We're finding the middle 3 times, and then we're going to subtract those outside 2 medians. So I've got 12. I've already found my middle number. So now I'm going to look for the middle of both halves. So if I look on this side, the middle number over here is 5, and the middle number over here is 15. So to find the inner quartile range, I'm going to do 15 minus 5, which equals 10. So that's all your different mean, median, mode, range, and IQR that we spend a lot of time on as a little review for data analysis.